Dogecoin to $7. The CEO says it's going to happen. The popularity of Dogecoin has soared recently, as the cryptocurrency that started as a joke is no longer just a meme coin. The meme-based cryptocurrency received public support from numerous celebrities in the last 2 years and is now being accepted as a method of payment by some retailers. Analysts are optimistic about Dogecoin's long-term growth due to its popularity among celebrities such as Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who's also been referred to as the Dogecoin father, billionaire investor, Shark Tank personality, and Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban, and rapper Lil Yachty. And it's likely they will encourage many investors to take the plunge. This shows that a bright future lies ahead for Dogecoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts. My name's Joe, and in this video, I will reveal to you Dogecoin's price prediction based on its popularity, worldwide adoption, growing user base, and other major price indicators. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video to find some promising facts about Dogecoin and our prediction on how high it will rise. Also, we are giving away one whole Ethereum to a random subscriber. If you want to win this, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and also let us know your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments section. So let's dive right in. While it's hard to forecast Dogecoin's price with utmost certainty, we will offer the most likely direction that it will take. Apparently, the coin started as a joke or meme that could be used to express anything from jokes about naps, early mornings, diets, and also ridiculed dubious crypto coins, but its growth has not been any joke. Currently, it ranks 4th globally. Dogecoin's massive triple-digit surge was in April, which saw it rise by an incredible 514% from Monday, April 12th, to Friday, April 16th, 2021, which seems only to have been the beginning. Although it started that week at 7 cents and finished at 43 cents, it continues to grow. And while its price then dipped, dropping to around 25 cents on April 19th, it soon started to rally again, as you'll see if you perform a Dogecoin price analysis. Making a Dogecoin forecast is normally easy in the aftermath of a dip. Very quickly, the heat starts to leave the market as opportunist investors start taking profits off the table. But this rally has been different, and at times in mid-April to May, Doge seems to be the only bright spot as bigger cryptocurrencies started to fail or traded sideways. Dogecoin price predictions were especially optimistic after it surged on April 20th, breaking through the 40-cent barrier on early Monday the 3rd. The following day saw more positive Dogecoin news as it rocketed again, reaching a high that was just a shade under 56 cents before dipping back to around 52 cents. In the first week of May, the value of the coin continued to rise, and on May 8th, it managed to reach its highest ever value at 72 cents. There are several green signals that you will likely see if you check on a technical chart and analyze the price movement of Dogecoin. You'll see a mix of stable and upward trends, particularly on a 4-hour chart. The green candles outnumber the red candles. The bullish trend also means that sellers are far and few. Buyers are in total control. There's only a small squeeze near the 0.070 mark, where sellers were briefly in control. On the 12th of February 2021, the Dogecoin chart formed a descending triangle. If it successfully breaks the resistance, then it could head towards a 30% upward movement. The TD sequential indicator also confirmed the buy signal, which makes the breakout even more probable. The stable lower support trendline is at 0.62. In case it breaks, then the Dogecoin can slump to 0.43 before bouncing back strongly. In June, it is expected that Dogecoin price will rise to 0.754225 and reach 0.0512873 on the lower side. The price is expected to stagnate at 0.608258 towards the end of the month. Similarly, it is expected that Doge will rise to 0.766733 in July, with a minimum forecast being 0.521378. It will then rise to 0.06133,866 towards the end of this month. The Dogecoin rise is expected to continue into the 3rd quarter of 2021. According to Trading Beast, the cryptocurrency is expected to be traded at 0.613386 in the beginning of the month, and rise to 0.0619104 towards the end of this month. In the following month, the price will hit a high of 0.0773880 and a low of 0.0526239. In September, its price will increase to a high of 0.781554. During the last quarter of 2021, Dogecoin will continue with bullish movement from October up to December. Its price is expected to reach a high of 0.79470 in October and 0.798154 in November. Dogecoin will be traded at 0.87006 at the end of the year. According to TradingBeast forecast, Dogecoin price will pass 0.81 in January 2022. Eventually, it penetrated the current all-time high in February 2022 to sell at a high of 0.0826640. The bullish movement is expected to continue throughout the rest of the month, up until the end of the year. The cryptocurrency is likely to reach a minimum price of 0.0640377 and 0.0941731 on the upper side. The growing user base, worldwide adoption of Dogecoin, and the generally bullish sentiment regarding cryptocurrencies will keep pushing the prices up. In other words, more investors are likely to invest in Dogecoin, pushing the prices even higher. As per the TradingBeast forecast, Dogecoin will open the year at 0.954633, maximum price, and trade at a minimum of 0.0649150. The price will close at 0.1 price in May 2023, which represents a 55.75% change. Dogecoin will reach a 0.1096323 on the higher side and 0.0745500 on the lower side at the close of the year. In 2024, Dogecoin will be traded at above the 0.11 mark on the higher side. If the price falls, it will stop at 0.075 price level. Towards the end of the year, the minimum price will rise to 0.846257. On the higher side, the cryptocurrency will cross 0.12 in September and continue the bullish movement to close the year at the maximum price of 0.12444. The prediction for Dogecoin till 2025 is intense and bullish. Due to its popularity amongst users, it is expected to stay afloat. There will be ups and downs, but it will eventually form an upward price trend. Consider the wallet investors' data. Dogecoin can rise to 0.0184 by 2025, with several cost leaps from its current position. Therefore, there is no sign of a significant drop in Doge value till 2025. Dogecoin has, over the last few months, become increasingly popular all over the world. People started to buy the coin due to its relatively very cheap price compared to the other cryptocurrencies. Celebrities like Jordan Belfort, Mark Cuban, and Elon Musk often promoted the coin, and brands such as Slim Jim also made it part of their marketing campaign. Dogecoin is slowly seeing mass adoption as many companies have started accepting Doge as a form of payment. With Elon Musk's claims to make Doge better, there's a good chance Doge might go up in price. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, arguably the most prominent celebrity Doge enthusiast, appeared on SNL on May 8th. Besides the Dogecoin tweets and memes, Musk has announced himself as the unofficial CEO of Doge. Similarly, Gene Simmons has expressed a lot of interest in the cryptocurrency. But that is not all. Lil Yachty has also claimed that he will invest a significant portion of his wealth on the coin. During the show, he was asked what Dogecoin was, to which he responded, "It's the future of currency. It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world." According to Jenny Ta, the founder and CEO of CoinLink.com, Dogecoin price will soon reach the $1 mark. She also stated that Dogecoin will reach a market cap of $1 trillion. It's currently at $44 billion. This would make a single Dogecoin worth $7 or $8 per coin. According to Benzinga, this will be a huge jump for a coin that's currently worth approximately 30 cents after the recent dip. If Dogecoin makes the transactions faster and the fees lower, Dogecoin will most likely shoot up in value. Making crypto price predictions can be difficult, especially given the fluctuating price of Dogecoin. Fortunately, many crypto experts have given their price predictions for Doge. As per Digital Coin Price, Doge could reach a price of 1.5 by the end of 2025, based on its stable growth, and up to $7 or $8 in the next 3 to 4 years. According to Crypto News Z, Dogecoin could reach a price of $1.07 by the end of 2021. So there you have it, great people. What do you think of Dogecoin's potential for the coming months or years? What's your favorite cryptocurrency? Please tell us your thoughts in the comment sections down below. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Facts for more content like this, because you stand a chance to win today's giveaway, that Ethereum. We'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.